How to log out of Facebook on all devices at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out of Facebook on all devices at once. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you are in the settings section, you can see the option labeled as See More in Account Center. So simply tap on it. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the Account Center. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on Password and Security. And now here, in this section, if you scroll down under the security checks, there you can see the option labeled as Where you are logged in. So here you simply have to tap on it. And now here, in this section, you simply have to select your Facebook account, and here you will see all the devices currently logged into your Facebook account, including phones, computers, and tablet. So here, if you want to log out all this device, then you simply have to scroll down to the bottom and tap on the red option that says Select Devices to log out. So here, in this new section, you simply have to tap on Select All, and here, once you have done with that, you simply have to tap on Log Out and confirm your action. And after that, Facebook will instantly log you out from every device except the one that you are using right now. And that's it. That's how you can log out of Facebook on all devices at once. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.